If you're thinking about buying iroamly, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making your decision. Stick around till the end because I'll be comparing it to competitors, revealing insider info, and showing you exactly what you can expect. Trust me, you don't want to miss these insights. First up, iroamly's main appeal is its flexibility when it comes to global roaming. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just need reliable service abroad, it offers a far more competitive price compared to traditional international plans. Unlike some competitors, iroamly allows you to buy local data packages from a variety of countries and activate them instantly. That means you're not locked into expensive roaming fees from your home provider. If you're constantly hopping between countries, this feature alone can save you a ton of money. Next thing, coverage. iroamly's coverage is impressive, especially when compared to some of its direct competitors like Google Fi or T-Mobile's international options. They partner with major networks worldwide to ensure you have access to 4G and 5G speeds in over 200 destinations. In fact, I've personally used it in several countries, and I've found the network speeds to be as reliable as what I get at home. Of course, some regions might still have limited coverage, but overall, this is one of the most reliable services you can get for international travel. The third thing to note is ease of use. Setting up iroamly is simple. Just download the app, pick your plan, and you're ready to go. The app interface is user-friendly, with an intuitive design that lets you see your data usage in real time. I've used other apps before, and let me tell you, the setup for iroamly is among the smoothest. Unlike some competitors that bombard you with complicated configurations, iroamly is refreshingly straightforward. Now, the fourth thing is pricing. One of the biggest advantages of iroamly is that its plans are often cheaper than those of major telecom providers, especially when traveling across multiple countries. You don't have to worry about overage charges or fluctuating rates, because iroamly offers flat-rate data packages that you can choose based on your travel needs. This transparency is a game changer, especially when you compare it to other services that love to surprise you with hidden fees. The fifth thing is the customer support. This is where iroamly really stands out. Their support team is accessible 24/7 through live chat, and I found them to be quick, friendly, and efficient. Other providers might make you wait forever to get a hold of someone, but iroamly ensures that you'll have help whenever you need it. They also provide extensive FAQ guides and tutorials in the app, which is great for those who prefer to solve issues on their own. The sixth thing to know is the ability to use local numbers. iroamly gives you the option to choose a local number in certain countries, which is perfect if you're staying for a longer period. This is a feature that sets iroamly apart from most international SIM cards, which only provide you with a temporary number. Being able to have a local number in places like the UK or Australia makes it much easier to stay in touch with people without worrying about high charges. The seventh and final thing to consider is the free trial. Yes, you can try iroamly completely free through the first link in the description below. This is a fantastic offer, as it allows you to test out the service without any financial commitment. In my experience, testing out the service with no pressure gives you the peace of mind to make sure it fits your needs. I recommend you take advantage of this, especially if you're unsure about making the jump from your regular provider. If you're interested in trying iroamly, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits. You won't find a better deal anywhere else. Make sure to give it a shot before you commit and experience seamless, affordable international roaming for yourself.